Hello to all my marketing friends out there. Today we're going back to another great writing formula, and this one is picture, promise, prove, push. Think about it this way. You want to paint a really good picture for somebody to build up some desire. Then what you want to do is make a promise about what that can do and how you can help them. Lastly, we want to prove what you can do as a company to make that promise happen. And of course, we always want to push, which means we want to create a great call to action for them to be able to take a next step to make everything happen. Let's look at it this way. You just woke up. You're refreshed, you're energized, you're motivated, you're optimistic about your business. You have control because you just put in place a marketing system. You implemented a step-by-step checklist to create content, and now you can push to YouTube, you can push stuff out to Facebook ads, you can push out to Instagram, you can create marketing emails, all the stuff that you've always heard about, you're actually doing. And the best part is you're driving leads into your business for the first time. If this isn't you and you want it to be, contact Web Education Services today. We can help you implement your systems, build out a checklist, and take control of your marketing. So that's a quick example of how you can put together the picture, promise, prove, and push content marketing. If you need any help implementing a writing formula, you know where to find us.